I'm Wynn Austin, founder of Wynn's Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken pho in the Instant Pot. Okay, so today we have the ingredients. I have some olive oil and I have my artisanal pho spices right here. This is how you make real pho. And we have 1 apple. I use Fuji apples, but you can use whatever kind of apples you like. We have 1 onion and I have 3 slices of ginger. For the chicken, I like to use chicken legs. You can use 3 to 4 pieces. And if you like, you can always add a chicken breast to it. You know, I like dark meat, but my kids like white meat. So for today, I'm gonna use 3 chicken legs. It's a lot faster to cook than using a whole chicken. We have our fish sauce, and we have 6 cups of chicken stock. So here you have your Instant Pot. Go ahead and push the saute button. Then you're going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pot. Then I'm going to put my pho spice mix in here, and we're going to let that cook. And we're going to add our ginger and onion and give it a quick stir. And you're going to just let it sit there until it heats up really well, and we can char all the onion, the spices, and the ginger. After about 3 to 5 minutes of sauteing the onions, the spices, and the ginger, we are going to go ahead and add the garlic and give it another quick stir. Then we will put the apples in, a dash of salt, and we'll go ahead and put the chicken legs in. You can put it right on top, just like that. And pour 6 cups of chicken stock. Into the pot, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, we can fill up the pot up to the max with water. So we're going to fill the rest of the pot with water. And go ahead and hit cancel on the pot. And we want to make sure the lid is sealed. So we're going to put the lid on. Then we're going to hit the manual button and set the timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I like to let it rest on its own for another 10 minutes or so. But what you always want to make sure that you do is to release the steam. So you want to vent it, and be very careful with that. I've let this naturally rested, so all the steam is out, and I'm going to open it up. And here we have pho. So I've already went ahead and took out the chicken and shredded it and put it aside for you. What you want to do is, once you take the chicken out, you also want to remove some of the excess fat that's floating above. So just kind of skim the fat and toss that away. And in order to serve the pho, you want to make sure you strain it. I like to just strain it right into the bowl. So that way you don't get any of the herbs and spices in your soup. So go ahead and just strain it straight into the bowl. And to serve it, just do 1 wedge of lime. And I like to use Wynn satay sauce. So I do a gallop of that right on top. And if you like, a little bit of hoisin sauce. And here you have it. We have homemade Instant Pot Chicken Pho.